Hi everyone, I'm Tisa Jackson with This is Tisa. Today we are blinging with Beacon's gem-tac. I am so excited to partner with Beacon on this and I cannot wait to get started. Let me tell you what I have going on. I have this globe. I actually made it. This was my old globe. I painted and blinged it. I took it off. I went to a party store, picked up an 8-inch Discoball, and I was able to kind of take out the centerpieces and replace the round part of my globe. We're going to bling a cute saying on this globe. So let me tell you what we need. We need the globe, your gem-tac. I already put it in a precision point bottle. You need vinyl and transfer tape. You also need rhinestones. I'm using a few sizes. I'll talk about those sizes later. A wax pencil. And I also need my scraper and my vinyl weeder. I need to stabilize this globe, so I pulled out my tumbler holder just to kind of stabilize it. And then we're going to go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take a fiber cloth and just wipe off any fingerprints or dust on the globe. And the next thing we're going to do is weed our glitter vinyl. This vinyl is really awesome. I do need to use some heavy duty transfer tape to transfer this from the carrier sheet onto the globe. Glitter vinyl just will not stick onto regular transfer tape. So read instructions on the packaging that comes with your vinyl, and it should give clear instructions. I am using Cricut vinyl, and this transfer tape actually came in the package. I did try my best to match the rhinestones to the vinyl. This is a multi-pack. I have SS 20, 16, 12, 10, and 6. And while we're really going to be using SS16, I do want the entire package because look, for this little small, for the Einstein, we're going to need those smaller stones. So let's go ahead and get this vinyl transferred onto the globe. Honestly, I think this was the hardest part of the project. Although we are using this super sticky transfer tape, it did take a little bit of effort to get the carrier sheet off. And we're going to go ahead and lay our image on the globe. Our image is flat, the globe is round, so I am trying to adjust and cut around the vinyl the best I can. So we were able to get this on. This looks pretty good. I want to show you how to use a wax pencil. So our wax pencil, you sharpen it like a regular pencil and you just touch the top of the rhinestone and it picks it up for you, and then you can lay the rhinestone directly onto your object. I am trying different sizes here just to make sure. This is called like a dry fit before you add your glue. We are going to use a lot of SS16s. Right here we are going to go ahead and add some glue. The vinyl is glitter, like I said before. It has a little bit of a rough texture, which is perfect for rhinestones. So I feel like I may have put a little bit too much glue here, and that's okay. As long as you don't do this on every single one of the letters or your entire project. If you feel like your rhinestones will not adhere, do add a little bit more adhesive and just keep going. So I do speed it up here, and I am just going to show you that I am blinging this entire thing. This took me about 30 minutes to bling all of these letters. It was very, very easy. I did have to use some of the smaller rhinestones, like with the T, there was like little spaces where the bigger stones didn't fit. And then also with the A Einstein, I'm going to have to use those tiny, tiny stones. So I'm just going to play a little music and let you enjoy this part of the project. I feel feel like this might be an amazing beginner's project. Letters sometimes can be tricky, but if you have a straight font and you're really using only one size rhinestones, maybe a couple extra tiny ones, I feel like you would probably love this project. Just to see if maybe blinging's for you. Maybe to hold a wax pencil, see how it feels to adhere the rhinestones to your project. So here's the finished project, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, I want to thank Beacon for partnering with me on this project and supporting my crazy ideas. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great day. See you next time.